Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks from videos using AI. So first of all, open up the browser. Then in there, type in 123 apps, hit enter. Now once you're here, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, all you have to do is to just scroll down and look for this remove logo from video and just click on it. After that, you will be at this page right here. Now in here, click on this open file button right here and select the video that you want to remove the watermark from. And this video right here, just click on it and open it. And after that, you will be in an editor right here. Now you will have to select the area that you want to remove the watermark from. For example, I'm just going to select this area right here. Yes. And after that, just click on apply. Now once you're done with that, all you have to do is to just click on save and export. But the catch is that you can only export in 720p. Well, I've got you covered for that as well. Just simply export in 720p and click on save right here. Save the video. Now the video has been downloaded, open up a new tab and type in here vmake.ai. Hit enter. After that, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now if you're done with that, all you have to do is to just scroll down here and look for this video quality enhancer tool right here. Just click on it. Now once you're in the AI video enhancer, just click on upload video right here and select the watermark removed video. Just click on it and click on open. Now after the enhanced video has been loaded, click on this download full HD video right here. And after that, save that enhanced video to your desired location. And after that, just hit save. So here you have your watermark removed high resolution video. I'm just gonna play it for you. So as you guys can see, the watermark has been removed as well as the quality has been enhanced. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can remove watermarks from your videos using AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.